Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail background theme. This is a simple way to personalize your inbox and make it feel more like your own workspace, whether you prefer a clean look, dark mode, or even a personal photo as your background. First, open your web browser and head over to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. You'll need to be logged in to access the customization settings that control your Gmail's appearance. Now look up to the top right corner of your Gmail page where you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on it. This will open the quick settings menu on the right side of your screen, giving you access to various Gmail preferences without leaving your inbox. In that quick settings panel, scroll down until you find the theme section. This is where Gmail stores all the visual customization options. Next to the theme label, you'll see a small link that says View All. Click on it to open the full theme selection window where you can browse through all available background options. You'll now see a gallery of themes to choose from. You can select default if you want the standard Gmail look, or click dark to switch to dark mode, which is easier on the eyes in low light. There are also several preloaded images and designs that can give your inbox a fresh, personalized feel. Take a moment to browse and see what catches your eye. If you want more control over the look, scroll to the bottom of the theme window. Here you might find extra options like text background, which lets you toggle between light and dark text areas. There's also vignette, which darkens the corners of your background for a subtle focus effect, and blur, which softens the background image so it doesn't distract from your emails. Once you've made your choice, click Save to apply your new theme. Your Gmail will refresh with the updated look. Now, if you'd rather use a personal photo as your background, it's just as easy. Open the theme window again by following the same steps. This time, click My Photos at the bottom left. You'll be able to choose from featured images or browse your own photos in Google Photos. Select the one you like, then click Insert at the bottom right. Finally, click Save to set it as your Gmail background. Thanks for watching.